Pakistan, a land of diverse landscapes, holds hidden gems within its borders. From the towering peaks of the Himalayas in the north to the vast deserts in the south, this country is a treasure trove of natural beauty. Each region has its own unique charm and story to tell, waiting to be discovered by those who seek adventure and tranquility alike. One such treasure is Taftan, a town nestled in the heart of Balochistan. This remote town is often overlooked, but it holds a wealth of natural wonders that are truly breathtaking. Taftan is not just a destination, it's an experience that leaves a lasting impression on all who visit. This remarkable location is renowned for its unique blend of natural wonders. From its striking geological formations to its diverse flora and fauna, Taftan offers a glimpse into a world that feels untouched by time. The landscapes here are a testament to the incredible forces of nature that have shaped this region over millennia. Taftan is a place where towering volcanic peaks meet the vast expanse of the desert. These volcanic formations are not only a sight to behold, but also a reminder of the Earth's fiery past. The contrast between the rugged peaks and the serene desert creates a landscape that is both dramatic and peaceful. The town is a testament to the raw beauty of nature. Here you can witness the unspoiled splendor of the natural world, far removed from the trappings of modern civilization. It's a place where you can truly connect with the environment and appreciate the simple yet profound beauty of the Earth. It offers a glimpse into the geological forces that have shaped our planet. The rock formations and volcanic landscapes tell a story of immense power and transformation. Each layer of rock, each volcanic peak, is a chapter in the Earth's history, waiting to be read by those who visit. Taftan's allure lies in its stark beauty. The dramatic landscapes, with their sharp contrasts and bold features, create a visual feast for the eyes. It's a place where the beauty of the natural world is on full display, unadorned and unfiltered. It's a place where silence reigns supreme, broken only by the whisper of the wind. The serene desert landscape offers a sense of peace and solitude that is hard to find in today's busy world. Here you can lose yourself in the quiet and find a deeper connection with nature. This remote corner of Pakistan is a world away from the hustle and bustle of city life. It's a place where you can escape the noise and chaos of modern living and find a sense of calm and tranquility. The isolation of Taftan is one of its greatest charms, offering a retreat from the pressures of everyday life. It provides a sanctuary for those seeking solace in the arms of nature. Whether you're looking to explore the rugged landscapes, meditate in the quiet of the desert, or simply take in the breathtaking views, Taftan offers a refuge for the soul. It's a place where you can find peace and rejuvenation. Taftan is a reminder of the power and beauty of the natural world. Its majestic landscapes and powerful natural scenery serve as a testament to the incredible forces that have shaped our planet. Visiting Taftan is not just a journey through space, but a journey through time, offering a profound appreciation for the world we live in. Dominating the landscape is the majestic Taftan volcano. Rising high above the surrounding terrain, this awe-inspiring natural wonder captures the imagination of all who behold it. Its towering presence is a reminder of the incredible forces that shape our planet. This natural wonder is more than just a mountain. It is a living, breathing entity that has played a significant role in the geological history of the region. The volcano's rugged slopes and dramatic peaks are a testament to the power of nature. It stands as a testament to the fiery heart of our planet. The crater, with its smoldering rocks and occasional bursts of steam, offers a glimpse into the intense heat and pressure that lie beneath the Earth's crust. This is where the story of Taftan begins. Its slopes, etched with ancient lava flows, tell tales of eruptions past. These flows, now solidified into intricate rock formations, are like pages in a history book, each one telling a story of a time when molten rock surged forth from the volcano's core. The volcano is not just a relic of the past. It continues to be a dynamic and ever-changing feature of the landscape. The steam vents that dot its surface are a clear indication that Taftan is still very much alive. It is classified as a semi-active volcano. This means that while it may not be erupting continuously, it still has the potential to do so. The geothermal activity around the volcano is a constant reminder of this potential. This means that it still simmers with geothermal activity. The heat from the Earth's interior escapes through these vents, creating a landscape that is both beautiful and slightly ominous. Evidence of this can be seen in the hot springs that dot the area. These springs, with their bubbling waters and rising steam, are a popular attraction for both locals and tourists. They offer a unique opportunity to experience the raw power of nature up close. These springs release plumes of steam and sulfuric gases, The smell of sulfur in the air is a constant reminder of the volcanic activity that lies just beneath the surface. It's a sensory experience that leaves a lasting impression. They serve as a constant reminder of the powerful forces at work beneath the surface. The steam and gases that rise from the ground are a visible sign of the heat and pressure that continue to shape the landscape. The presence of the volcano has shaped not just the landscape, but also the lives of the people who call Taftan home. The local communities have learned to live in harmony with this powerful natural feature, drawing on its resources while respecting its potential for destruction. The volcano is a central part of their cultural and spiritual identity, a symbol of both creation and destruction. Surrounding Taftan is a sea of sand known as the Balochistan Desert. This vast expanse stretches as far as the eye can see. It is a landscape of stark beauty, where towering sand dunes shift and change with the whims of the wind. The desert is a harsh mistress. It is unforgiving to those who dare to venture unprepared. Yet it is also a place of incredible resilience. Life finds a way to thrive even in this arid environment. Camels traverse the dunes, their silhouettes casting long shadows across the sand. The Balochistan plateau on which the desert sits adds another layer of complexity to this landscape. Beneath the surface of this seemingly barren land lies a wealth of mineral resources. Taftan is known for its deposits of copper, gold, and other valuable minerals. These deposits have played a significant role in the region's history. They have attracted prospectors and adventurers seeking their fortune. The extraction of these minerals is a vital part of the local economy. It provides employment opportunities for the people of Taftan. However, the presence of these resources also presents challenges. It is essential to strike a balance between economic development and environmental sustainability. Section 5: Taftan's strategic significance, a crossroads of cultures. Taftan's location is not just geographically significant, but also historically and culturally important. Nestled at the intersection of South Asia and Central Asia, Taftan has been a pivotal point for travelers, traders, and conquerors alike. Its strategic position has made it a focal point for various civilizations over the centuries, each leaving an indelible mark on the town's cultural landscape. It has served as a major crossroads for centuries. Ancient trade caravans traversed these routes, bringing with them not just goods, but also ideas, beliefs, and traditions. The Silk Road, one of the most famous trade routes in history, passed through this region, facilitating the exchange of silk, spices, and other valuable commodities. This is evident in the diverse mix of cultures that have left their mark on the region. From the intricate designs of Persian rugs to the vibrant colors of Indian textiles, Taftan is a living museum of cultural artifacts. Festivals in Taftan are a testament to this rich cultural tapestry, where traditions from different backgrounds are celebrated with equal fervor. The town sits on a major trade route connecting South Asia with Central Asia and beyond. Modern-day Taftan continues to be a bustling hub of activity, with goods and people constantly moving through its borders. The trade route is not just a lifeline for commerce, but also a conduit for cultural exchange. This strategic location has made Taftan a melting pot of cultures and traditions. The markets are a vibrant display of this diversity, where you can find everything from Persian spices to Afghan carpets and Indian jewelry. The architecture of Taftan is equally diverse, with traditional houses that blend different styles, reflecting the town's multicultural heritage. You can find influences from Persian, Afghan, and Indian cultures interwoven into the fabric of Taftan's heritage. Persian arches, Afghan embroidery, and Indian motifs are just a few examples of how these cultures have blended seamlessly in Taftan. Each element tells a story of the people who have passed through and settled in this unique town. This blend of cultures is reflected in the local cuisine, music, and way of life. The food in Taftan is a delightful fusion of flavors, combining spices and techniques from different culinary traditions. Local musicians play instruments that have been influenced by various cultures, creating a unique sound that is distinctly Taftan. Daily life in Taftan is a beautiful mosaic of cultural diversity, where people from different backgrounds live and work together, enriching the town's heritage. Section 6: The harsh climate and resilient life. Taftan experiences an extreme climate. The summers are scorching hot, with temperatures soaring to unbearable levels. The winters are bitterly cold, with snow blanketing the landscape. Despite these challenging conditions, life finds a way. The people of Taftan have adapted to this harsh environment over generations. They have developed unique ways of life that allow them to thrive in this unforgiving terrain. Their resilience is a testament to the human spirit's ability to adapt and overcome adversity. Section 7. A haven for geologists, unveiling Earth's secrets. For geologists, Taftan is a paradise. The region offers a wealth of opportunities to study volcanic activity, tectonic plate movement, and the formation of mineral deposits. The Taftan volcano itself is a subject of great interest. Geologists come from all over the world to study its unique characteristics. The surrounding desert landscape also holds clues to the Earth's geological past. By studying the rock formations and mineral deposits, geologists can piece together the history of this fascinating region. Section 8. An adventure traveler's paradise. For the intrepid traveler, Taftan offers a chance to step off the beaten path and experience the thrill of the unknown. The region is a haven for adventure activities. Trekking through the rugged terrain is a popular activity. It allows adventurers to immerse themselves in the raw beauty of the landscape. Camping under the starlit sky provides a sense of serenity that is hard to find elsewhere. However, it is important to note that traveling to Taftan is not for the faint of heart. Section 9. Capturing the beauty a photographer's dream. Taftan is a photographer's paradise. The region's stark beauty, dramatic landscapes, and vibrant cultures provide endless opportunities for capturing stunning images. The play of light and shadow on the sand dunes creates mesmerizing patterns. The rugged volcanic terrain offers a dramatic backdrop for photographs. The local people, with their colorful attire and warm hospitality, add a human element to the photographs. Taftan is a place where every frame tells a story.